How to fix Workday app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that your Workday application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Workday. Now, if the app says open, you have to know that this application has been already updated. If it shows update, go ahead and tap on update and update your app. Once you have done that, open up your settings, to scroll below onto apps and search for Workday. Tap onto it and under usage, tap onto storage. Here, clear the cache and also clear the data. Before doing so, make sure that you know all your password, then tap on delete. Now come back and tap on force stop, tap on OK, and see if this fixes your issue. If not, you have to long tap onto your app and uninstall it. Tap on OK and reinstall it again. That way, this will solve your app not working problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.